Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you had a nice good weekend. Actually, we had 3 days of holiday and today was a very calm day with respect to Nifty and Banknifty, but it was mid-cap Nifty. Had you made some expiry day trades today, you would have made good money before European markets opened, right? After post European markets opened, it was like volatile, and before European markets opened, mid cap was moving just 20 or 30 points. Had you done strangle, you would have made money. But after European markets opened, there was a big green candle which was moving more than 50 or 60 points, and again after maybe 5 minutes we saw a big red candle, and 10,650 was very strong fight. Bulls and bears were fighting for 10,650, but it is bulls who was ultimately the winner. They have closed somewhere around 10,000, almost till 10,700, right? So going forward, we will see the markets going on the higher side. That is very important event in terms of Indian market local queue. We have on Friday 10 a.m. we will see our RBI governor coming out and what he is going to say about the interest rate hike. I'm sure 100% they are not going to increase the interest rate, and I'm sure they are going to pause the interest rate, and I'm sure they are not going to decrease the interest rate also. So this is what is happening. So till Friday you can see, maybe even though if you see the global markets, US market, as I talk to you, US markets are all in the green. S&P, Nasdaq, I'm talking about futures. S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all the futures are in the green. Not only US futures, even European markets are all trading in the green. So we don't have to worry. India VIX has also dropped significantly. So if you see India VIX, today alone it has dropped to more than 6%. So we can see market. This all indicates that the market is likely to go on the higher side. But there is a very big hurdle at 22,500, which is Nifty. You know why? Because we are at all-time high. So if you see this one Nifty chart, we are struggling. Nifty is struggling to move above 22,500. Why is that? Because 22 previous high was, let us say if we change this to an hourly chart, and you can see previous high, right? If I note down it here, this was around 22,000. Let's say 22,500, and today's high was also around 22,500. So we will see some hurdle. It is obvious. There is nothing, this is not rocket science. It is obvious that we will see some hurdle. But this, if once 22,500 is taken out, we might see Nifty inching up towards maybe 23,000 or even more than 23,000. And in terms of Bank Nifty, there is sluggishness in HDFC Bank. I'm not sure what is the news, and I really don't care what is the news. As a trader, I'm only concerned whether my trade is profitable or not. That's it. I don't care what is the news, what is the fundamental, what is the technical. In fact, we don't use any technical. People say that I have seen in Instagram or in YouTube shorts that you can use this EMA, that EMA, RSI, all crap. That is what I will tell you. No indicator. There are thousands of indicators. Nothing is going to work, right? So in terms of HDFC Bank, there is some issue. So we don't have to talk about that. All we have to see whether how we can manage our trade, or how we can manage our whatsoever, right? So in terms of Bank Nifty, let me go to the Bank Nifty chart and let me show you where is Bank Nifty. We are having a huge hurdle at around 47,500. So if you see this candle, this is 1 hour candle, today's candle. So today's candle, let me change this to a daily time frame so that you get an idea of what I'm trying to say. So this is the daily candle, and you can see it is trying, and it has closed above 47,500. So that's a very positive thing, and we might go towards 48,500, which is the lifetime high. So you Nifty alone cannot move above 22,500. You really need Bank Nifty support, which is not happening here. So if you compare Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, so you can understand that the momentum which we are seeing in Nifty is not, we are not seeing in Banknifty. So that's a problem. And there are lots of line here. And don't get, let me delete it for you. Don't think these things, see, people say there are, if I draw maybe 100 or 50 lines, any line it has to touch and reverse, right? So that is, from previous 10-15 days or 1 month, we have been drawing these lines. So I expect Bank Nifty to touch 48,000 and I expect Nifty to touch 23,000 in the coming days. If there is no negative news in terms of RBI, there is no negative news in terms of global cues, we don't have any problem. It is only local cues, and this is not even a important event in terms of RBI interest rate decision, right? So if you see here, everyone is expecting, or every market participant is expecting, that they will not increase the interest rate. Now interest rate in India is around 6.5%. So going forward, RBI will keep this interest rate Friday 10 a.m. and see this thing. Even this RBI repo rate, they are keeping at 10 a.m. morning during market hours. What is going to happen, right? It is going to be very, very tough if you are going to trade in Friday, and Friday is a Sensex expiry. So be very careful if you are trading expiry day trades, right? And in terms of our profit, let me show our profit. We booked a profit of around, total profit of around 40,000, or let's say 39,225. And this is the first trade of this financial year. We are this month we are sitting somewhere at 1.37%. So going forward, this is my perspective. And if you think that the market is overbought, or if the market is if any indicator or if any momentum indicator is showing overbought region, I'm sure you might be wrong, right? Because whatever I can see, even in terms of open interest, I can see huge number of puts being written, maybe 22,000 and even 22,500 puts are being written in huge quantity. So the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very, very high. Now, if the market reverses, you are going to see a sharp fall. That is because all put writers will have to run for cover, and eventually that will take the market on the downside. So you will have to be very, very careful till this Friday. Markets can make two-way, three-way move, and there are lots of factors. Of course, this is hypothesis, this is hypothetical. There are lots of factors in terms of market. Because I am saying it is not necessary it is going to happen, or because I am today profit, it doesn't mean we are going to be in profit. So lots of things are involved in terms of market. So be very careful and trade very sharply, and make sure you trade very safely, right? That's it for today. And IPL is happening, and nowadays people don't everybody is watching IPL, and me posting video doesn't make any sense, right? So nobody is cared about cares about whether Umar is posting video or not. But be very careful and trade very carefully. For now, we have a very healthy market, stable market, and we believe that the markets will go on the higher side, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, or for that matter any indices. So it is going to go on the higher side is what we believe. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.